Hi guys, this video is to help you know how to best navigate the course. Online learning sometimes may feel like you're on your own and you got to figure things out, but that's never the case. So if you're ever not sure of something, just don't hesitate to message me. Over here in the black bar is the inbox for Canvas. That is the fastest way to message me. So please never hesitate to do that. When you're in the course, the home page, when you first log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this home page that has all of your units of instruction. The very first day, of course, you're going to begin here, and that will be your introductory assignments. So here's a brief orientation to the course, and you can simply go with these next buttons down here on the right. You can also directly go to the modules. Especially as we go further in the course, you're going to know what things you completed and what things you have not. So the modules go in order of how they should be completed. So this introductory module, for example, has all your introductory course documents and then your assignments that are due this first week. From this page, you can see the assignment name and the assignment due date. You can open that assignment and then complete it following all the directions and hit the next button if you're ready to do more. I suggest doing that if you're sitting for an hour or a little more and you're just completing several assignments at one time. But if you have just started for the day and you are starting with the home page, then you'll want to keep track of what module you're on. So each of the modules has a link directly from the home page, or they have a link from the modules page. A couple other things that will be helpful for you to know in navigating the course are that your grades button is right here. So your grades will be cumulative and they should be exactly what's in PowerSchools. So the grade here and the grade in PowerSchools should be identical and are your official ongoing grade for the class. The quizzes, you will go through them through the modules. So your first quiz is a syllabus quiz on Tuesday, and then your next quiz or test is not until September 10th, but you want to complete all the assignments in order. So that's sort of a brief overview for now of how to navigate the course. So again, always start with the home page, and you can link directly to the unit you're currently on, or you can go to modules. There'll be more to come on how to submit assignments or how to get the opportunity to turn something in that you might have missed. But spend some time looking around the course and make sure to do your first assignments for this week before 10 p.m. on Tuesday the 27th. Look forward to talking to you later.